What is going on, you guys? Welcome back. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be doing a review on my VRSF Catless Downpipes that are on my M4. So we're going to be showing you and talking about the way it sounds, if it makes any difference, and whether it's worth it or not. We're also going to be taking it to the car wash because I have firework residue all over the car, so I need to get that off, and we need to go pump gas. But first things first, let's get you guys a cold start. First, let me start off by telling you guys what's the current exhaust setup. So it's full stock exhaust with Catless Downpipes, and the car is tuned. Now remember, if you were to go Catless like me, you may be able to tell that exhaust smell from being Catless. Now, I only really notice it when I'm parked, kind of like this, just idling. Besides that, I have no issues with it. Either I've gotten used to it, or it's actually just not that bad. Now, also with being Catless, you're gonna get a better flow, so you will kind of feel better throttle response, and it's gonna feel a little bit quicker. It probably is just a bit, but once you tune it, you're gonna really feel much quicker. Also with being Catless, you're gonna notice the tone of the exhaust get deeper, the burbles getting louder, like it does change it. So Catless is a good idea, or at least doing the downpipes, even when you have a stock exhaust like me. But I am planning on doing more. It's not just gonna be downpipes. I'm planning on doing the mid pipes, and who knows, maybe straight pipe. All right, but enough yapping. We're gonna do some revs, step on it, do some flybys, so you guys can hear what the downpipes sound like with these stock exhausts. So that's what it sounds like when you rev it up with the downpipes and the stock exhaust. It's not bad, it sounds pretty good. I'm sure though, when you get the mid pipe, it's gonna sound even better. Let's go do the flybys now before the night catches us. The night is catching up to us. Overall, like I said, I think the downpipes are worth it. It makes the car sound much better. Also, once you pair it with the tune, you'll be much faster. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with it. All right, guys, me and Anthony are gonna be going to a car meet right now. Hopefully it's good. If it is, I'm gonna record the rest of it. If not, you probably won't be seeing this, but I think it'll be good. So, we're gonna be heading out right now. Guys, we just pulled up to the meet. Here is Anthony. Here's the truck, and then here's the M4. Let's see what we can find here. We got some little nice cars here. Some more over here. It just got started too, so it should get some more cars too. Vetty. Another Vetty. Tesla wrapped. Really nice color. Miata on this side. Holy shit, with a big ass wing. Yeah, Anthony, you should get that wing, bro. Oh, this Vetty's nice. I like the new Vetti as well. The wagon. That shit is nice. Shit is clean. Shit is nice. Let's see if it gets more packed. Hopefully, it just got started, so it should be able to get a couple more cars in here. But we'll let you know. We'll let you know if anything new pops up. For right now, we have the M4 in the back. Next to Anthony, which I can't even recall. There he is. Guys, a G80. Clean, frozen black. Super clean. Yo, look at this thing. This thing is so clean. So clean. Yo, when he started revving it, that thing was loud. It was popping so loud. Yep. The heck was that? I thought the Vetti was gonna leave too. I knew he was gonna do it. There he is. There it is. Alright, we're dipping out. Mostly everybody's leaving, and it's already 11 o'clock. Meet was nice. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's the end of it.